guys, Nils here, and in today's video I would like to show you how you can get a very nice overview or everything you need in one view of all your queries in Marketing Cloud. This can be very helpful if you are in the need of getting that overview to see what query populates which data extension, what text is used or query text in that data extension, and so on. So the end result will look like this. We'll have all our queries, like query definition ID, the name, like the query text, like here you have what you're gonna do, etc, etc. But I think it's just easier if I show you first here. So in this test account we don't have that many queries or automations, but that doesn't really matter. What we want to do is, if we open a few of these automations, we can see that, well, actually this one has a script, so that's work, but we can see in this one we have 2 queries. Now imagine if you had hundreds of automations or even thousands, going into a list in the left here and going into every single one of them, stopping that automation and looking at that specific query. That is very time consuming. But with this quick tip, I should say, we were here and we were, let's see, somewhere here. Was it this one? Yeah, exactly. So I'm just going to show you, like, if you remember the name of this query here, and then if you remember the name of this query here, without open that automation at all, we're going to take a look at these queries and what exactly they do, together with all the other queries in this business unit. So what you need is a very simple URL hack, or hack is maybe not the correct word, but you can see I am on stack 51. I'll just paste here. This is the URL. We are still on stack 51. Automation Studio, Fuel API automations, queries, page 1, page size 500. Boom. And as I said, this is a Marketing Cloud test account. Doesn't have that much, but if you do this on a real production account, I can guarantee you this is gonna be very long. And you might also say, like, well, this is a lot of gibberish now, I can't read this at all. 2 ways to fix that very quickly. Either you do it in your browser console, and to do that we can also have a little command. Just go inspect, go to the console, and I have here. I will link this in the video description together with that URL I showed you. Boom. And here we have it structured for us super nicely. So we can see that in this business unit we only have 7 queries, but here they are. And if you remember, I told you, remember the name. So we were here, right? Post automation 7 days. Post automation 7 days. You can see exactly what it does by looking at the query text. Just to show you, let's jump into that one. Take a look. Post in last 7 days, and then comes some select and a little bit more. You can see all that here, like post in last 7 days, then it does the select, this, and you get everything you need in a list with all the queries under each other. And it says exactly what it does also. If it's overwrite, what the target name of that data extension is, when it was created, and yeah, a little bit so on. So super nice when you want to know which query populates this particular data extension and where is it. Then you get a full list of it. And now I showed you the console approach. You could also just, if you close this one down, take all of this, copy it, and I already prepared here a JSONLint, but just reload this one. And we get here, JSONLint.com, you paste in your text. You can validate it if you want. This is valid JSON, and then we just hit prettify. Boom. And then we have a little nice copy up here. Copy to clipboard. You can paste it and search or do whatever you want. But a very nice and handy way of getting that overview of every single query in your business unit in one view. That's it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.